Hello everyone. When applying for an SQL developer position, one of the most common questions you get asked is, how can you write an SQL statement to help you get the third highest salary from a given table? I'll show you how to answer to that. Alright, so the first part of it is I already have created a table, so let's go ahead and open that table. Select store business. Alright, so this is my table. As you can see, I have first name, last name, genders, and the salary, included with ID as well. So go ahead and close that page, and we're going to be using the CTE or common table expression. So I'll do with CTE. Be able to give it another name instead of the CTE if you want. This is the one I'm going to go with. So I'm going to go ahead and open my brackets and have my select statements in here. So do select. Since we're focusing on the salary, be able to specify that as well instead of a star, which will get us all of it. So this time we're focusing on salary. And go do the dance rank. Close that over, open another one, and then we're gonna order them by obviously again by our salary and descending order, and we'll give it an alias name. That way it's gonna give us a column and already have a name as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it salary order. You can give it any other names you would like. And obviously we have to specify from which table we're getting it. So we already have talked about the table I've created, which is from the expenses. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my bracket. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna run this select statement by itself. That way you get an idea of what the column that we just worked on is going to give us. So we are now we give it an alias name salary order, as you can see it right here, and it's giving us an order of these salaries. So now we are specifically asked to be able to get the third highest. So as you can see, we already have created them in a descending order format, but now we need to distinctly pull out one of them, and that's when the next select statement comes in. So we're gonna do select, and then we're gonna say distinct salary from the salary order column that we just created. Right? So we'll do salary order, and from CTE, which is the one we've been working on. Then we're going to specify our where clause statement again, the salary, which is the column we just worked on, salary order. You can see it's already specified because we already did on it, and we're going to say third. So because we're asked to do the third one, so I'm gonna go ahead and run the whole thing. That way we're gonna get to see side by side. So as you can see, this was the salary that we have, and the third highest out of all this is already pulled out for us as well. If you want to change the number, the fourth highest, you do the same thing. You can be able to see, and this is how the results is going to come out. So you can be able to use this for any n values. So if you're asked to give an example and how you go about writing the statement, this is the best way to be able to answer. Hope it helps. Thank you so much.